Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're talking about something that will literally change your life in 2026 and beyond. Here's the truth. Financial literacy isn't about becoming a Wall Street expert or memorizing economic theories. It's about building small, powerful habits that compound over time. And the best part? These habits take less than 10 minutes a day. Today, I'm sharing 9 tiny habits that will transform you from financially confused to financially confident. These aren't overwhelming, they're not complicated, they're just simple actions that when done consistently create massive results. Let's dive in. Every single morning, before you check social media or emails, spend just 2 minutes checking your bank account balance. I know what you're thinking, that sounds stressful. But here's why this works. When you avoid looking at your money, anxiety builds. When you check it daily, you develop awareness without fear. You start noticing patterns. You catch fraudulent charges immediately. You become intimately familiar with your cash flow. Make this part of your morning routine. Coffee brewing? Check your balance. Brushing your teeth? Glance at your account. This tiny habit removes the mystery around your money and puts you in the driver's seat. Pro tip: use your banking app's widget on your phone's home screen so you can see your balance at a glance without even opening the app. You don't need to track every single transaction. That's exhausting and unsustainable. Instead, track just one purchase per day with this question: was this aligned with my values? Maybe you bought a $6 coffee. Was it worth it? Did it bring you joy, or was it mindless? No judgment here, just awareness. Write it down in your Notes app. One sentence. Bought lunch out, $15, felt rushed, could have meal prepped. Over time, you'll start seeing patterns in your spending that reveal what truly matters to you versus what's just habitual consumption. This is the foundation of conscious spending, and it takes 30 seconds a day. Financial literacy is intimidating because of the language barrier. Terms like compound interest, APR, diversification, and index funds sound complicated, but they're not. Here's your habit. Every Monday, pick one financial term. Spend 5 minutes learning what it means. Use simple resources like Investopedia, YouTube, or even just Google it. Week 1, what's compound interest? Week 2, what's an emergency fund? Week 3, what's a 401k? Week 4, what's the difference between a credit score and credit report? By the end of 2026, you'll understand 52 financial concepts. That's more than most people learn in a lifetime. And knowledge removes fear. When you understand the language, you can make informed decisions. Write the term and definition in a note on your phone. Review it throughout the week. That's it. This habit will save you thousands. The rule is simple. For any non-essential purchase over $50, wait 24 hours before buying. Add it to your cart, close the tab, walk away. If you still want it tomorrow and it fits your budget, buy it. But here's what usually happens. That impulse fades. You realize you don't actually need it, or you find a better alternative. This tiny pause creates space between impulse and action. It's not about deprivation, it's about intentionality. Some of my best financial decisions have been the things I didn't buy because I gave myself time to think. Set a reminder in your phone. Still want that thing from yesterday? You'll be shocked how often the answer is no. Automation is the secret weapon of wealthy people. They don't rely on willpower or memory. They set up systems that work on autopilot. This month, automate just one financial task. Next month, add another. By the end of the year, your finances practically run themselves. Start here. Month 1, automate your savings. Even $20 per paycheck adds up. Month 2, automate bill payments to avoid late fees. Month 3, automate credit card payments. Month 4, automate retirement contributions. The setup takes 10 minutes. The benefit lasts forever. You remove the mental load and the possibility of forgetting. Money management becomes effortless. Every Sunday evening, schedule a 15-minute money date with yourself. Pour your favorite drink,
Sit somewhere comfortable and review your week financially. What did you spend? What came in? Are you on track with your goals? Any upcoming expenses you need to prepare for? This isn't about perfection, it's about staying connected to your financial reality. When you review weekly, nothing spirals out of control. You catch problems early, you celebrate wins, you adjust course quickly. Make it enjoyable. Light a candle, play music. This shouldn't feel like punishment, it's you taking care of yourself. I do mine every Sunday at 7 p.m. It's on my calendar, it's non-negotiable, and it transforms my relationship with money. You scroll social media for hours, right? What if just 10 of those minutes went to financial education? Follow personal finance creators, read money blogs, listen to finance podcasts during your commute, watch YouTube videos like this one. The key is consistency. 10 minutes a day is 60+ hours of financial education. That's like taking a college course, except it's free and you can do it in your pajamas. Start with topics you're curious about. Investing, budgeting, side hustles, real estate. There's content for everything, and the algorithm will start showing you more of what you engage with. Make it part of your wind-down routine. Before bed, instead of doom scrolling, watch one short finance video. Your future self will thank you. Financially literate people aren't afraid to admit what they don't know. They ask questions. Once a week, ask someone a money question. Ask your parents how they handled debt. Ask a coworker how their retirement plan works. Post a question in a finance community online. How do you decide how much to save? How do you decide what app to use for budgeting? How did you learn about investing? Most people love talking about what works for them, and you'll get real-world perspectives, not just textbook answers. Every conversation is a mini masterclass. Write down the answers, build your own personal finance knowledge base. Learn from people who are where you want to be. This is the most underrated habit on this list. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination, and if you only focus on the big goals, you'll burn out. Did you check your bank account today? Celebrate it. Did you resist an impulse purchase? That's a win. Did you learn what APR means? Amazing. Keep a wins journal. Every Friday, write down 3 financial wins from the week, no matter how small. Paid a bill on time? That counts. Transferred $10 to savings? That counts. This habit rewires your brain to see progress instead of lack. It builds momentum. It makes financial growth feel good instead of restrictive. Because here's the secret. Sustainable change comes from positive reinforcement, not guilt and shame. So there you have it. 9 tiny habits that will make you financially literate in 2026. 1. Daily 2-minute money check-in. 2. Track 1 purchase per day. 3. Learn 1 financial term per week. 4. The 24-hour rule for purchases. 5. Automate 1 thing per month. 6. Weekly money date. 7. 10 minutes of daily financial content. 8. Ask 1 financial question per week. And 9. Celebrate small wins. None of these are hard. None require a finance degree. But together, they create a foundation that will serve you for life. Pick 1 to start with this week. Just 1. Master it. Then add another. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical finance content. Drop a comment and tell me which habit you're starting with. Remember, financial literacy isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. And you've got this. See you in the next video.